21st century caveman here. Hope everybody's well, I hope everybody's happy. So as you can see, I'm out and about today. Got up this morning, the sun was shining through the curtains, and I thought, do you know what, the house can go and whistle, I'm coming out today. So chucked a few things together, and here we are. So I'm going out to my local woods then, the ones you've seen in other videos. Just an easy win, because they're one of the very few places in my locality where you can actually, you know, get a bit of peace and quiet, set up camp largely without being disturbed, have a fire and just have a little bit of a quiet time. Anyway, I'm going to conserve a bit of battery and I'll see you in a bit. So my inspiration for coming out today was Crag Dweller. If you're watching, buddy, hope you're okay. So Crag Dweller works full time, same as myself, and it can be sometimes really difficult trying to find the time to fit everything in, and it's one of those things where you just got to make the time, really. So anyway, here's my inspiration for coming out today, so thank you for that. Okay then, so this is where the climb starts. It's going to take me 10-15 minutes to get up the hill and find out where the camping spot is. I mean, I haven't been here for, well, it must be about 18 months, perhaps even a couple of years now. Anyway, I'll get back to you in a bit. Right, okay, so here we are. Doesn't look as if anybody's been here for a short while, or indeed for quite some time. So anyway, let's just set up camp and get a brew on, shall we? So today I've got one of my Mora knives, stainless steel, more heavy duty than the companion. Absolutely love this. Nice sheath, I love the sheaths. Got a little light in there which appears to have given up the ghost. Just got it on a lanyard, look, put it around my neck. Or else I can just stick it on my belt. Cheers.